how is draw this thread in the SolidWorks. In part document, using the graphic primitives line and other line, or start with creation the thread part. I have a part. Turn into the nodes from the drop down menu, insert, annotation, activate the command cosmetic thread. Next step is to specify the beginning of the circular edge of the thread and set the thread setting. Select edge, circular edge, and do setting. Turn to the part document, window part document, layout tab of the form, activate the command model view and select part of assembly, double click left mouse button, place on the work field and select orientation. It remains only 2 dimensions. On the panel sketch, activate command smart dimension and select dimensional